Up for sale, 1964 Mercury Montclair. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 64 Mercury Montclair sedan, finished in factory colors, rather rare in its factory options. 390, 4-speed, factory AC, and rear air shocks that are factory ordered, which I just think is super cool. Of course, go around it, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, and drive it. And, of course, starting here in the front. Chrome up front, super nice. You see some light water stains on the lows, unlike the low, but just the bumper itself is very nice. And, look at that when you get up on it. It looks like the grille and the bezels, those could be original, but, nice original. This car's had a lot of work done to it. Of course, paint, which is super high quality paint. Again, very impressive. I mean, the body is super straight. All the fitment, because again, all original panels, it is exactly how you want it to be, all the way around. It's got the breezeway back window, which works. All the dome lights work. All the gauges work. It was taken off the frame, all new bushings, and painted. So a type of a frame off. And it's detailed. I mean, it's impressive on its own. It was owned in New York in 2015, which is probably why pretty much everything works, all the gauges, stuff like that, because they're very particular in their cars that can get titled through, inspection. But anyway, let's just focus here on the top of the car now. Look at that hood fitment. All the way there. The quality of the paint that you see there. Where do I begin? Let's pop the hood open. What the? Oh, one and then two. 390, number matching, factory AC. Again, super cool. Factory 4-speed car. The AC has not been converted to the new Freon. I gave it a little shot just to see if it would work. And there's a clog somewhere in one of the lines. My mechanic told me which one it is. I just didn't bother. I feel like just having it alone and the options speak for itself still. You see nice finish in here. The inner fender walls, again, it's clean. And looks like a new master cylinder over there for the brakes. And it runs as smooth as silk. We drove at about 70, 75 miles an hour on the highway for well over an hour. Fantastic. And I like the right air cleaner. It's got a new Holly carb on there. Proper, valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds, all the little things that I like. So it's a 390 Super Marauder, if that's how you pronounce it. Probably Marauder. I'm not a Mercury guy, but I can appreciate a car like this. This kind of falls into that category of that Buick LeSabre. See, with the hood insulation. Buick LeSabre that I have, just a stock kind of rare cream puffy example. And again, here as always, on your Ford Lincoln, or mostly Ford Mercury, the Venice stamp there. Of course, matching the one that's on the tag in the door. We got, and on top of it, the poverty caps with the black steel wheel. But again, look how nice the finish is in here on this line, all the way around. I mean, just an impressive car. Nice finish there. Or fitment. Again, I know I showed you that, but now really focusing on it. All the way back. All this stainless is in nice condition as well. And again, now focusing just on the windshield. No cracks in it, no cracks on the glass. It's got tinted windows. You got these, which I just think are pretty cool. Top of the car is absolutely gorgeous as well. Look at that. And then the finish. You can kind of make that out. The finish in there is exactly how you want it to be. And just the styling of the back window. I mean, this car's got it all. Not this specifically, but just a 64, the way it is. There's your tag, 5 for the manual trans. But anyway, the hem in here, I know it's been touched up, but the hem is super nice. And you'll notice that on all the doors. I might as well give you another example here. Look at that. That is nice. And by looking at the underneath, must have been a Southern car at some point or for a long period of time. Door panel, super nice. You see just a couple little marks on the bottom there, but the rest of it's, mint. The cranks look fantastic. Finish in there. is how you want it to be, as well as the finish in there. There's your bench seat, which is pretty mint. No rips, you know, factory styling, as well as just this shot right there. It's such a nice dash. Look at all the little switches, the gauges. And I got something cool to show you. You're sitting in here back in the day, and a novice comes in. Oh, look at all these ashtrays. Vent for the AC. Vent for the AC. That's actually an ashtray. Vent for the AC. Vent for the AC. I mean, that's cool. And for the rear, that's cool. Get that airflow going. All the gauges work, of course. I think the horn is the only thing that does. Nope, it does work. You heard that. Yeah, dash is nice. You see a little crack right there, but the rest of the pad looks super nice. And what an honest car this is. No added gauges, you know, no crap like that. You got the stock shifter in here, you know, with the reverse lockout to really help you slide on over into reverse. Nothing cut up for a radio. You see the dome light works. The headliner is fantastic. You see a couple little marks in there, but just look at that. This could very well be the original one. Both working dome lights in the back. Oh, I need the key, yeah. Nice there. You see a little crack there. Again, honest stuff. Back seat, just like the front. Really, really nice. I was going to show you the package tray, but there is none because it's a Breezeway. Let me refocus my camera. Okay, here we go. And again, I know I haven't pointed anything out. There's not a bubble on this car. It's smooth. I mean, the finish, again, all the way down is exactly how you want it to be. Even in there, stuff like that. She's straight. Like I say, back bumper just a little less nice than the front, but still very presentable. And I love the styling here of the taillights in the back with that trim panel. Once again, probably an original piece, so it shows a little bit of, you know, stuff on it, but it just goes, it belongs with it. And a giant trunk that fits perfectly. Look at that. You see a little chip right there on that edge, but there we go. Is that it? Yeah, okay, cool. Sweet. Wow. First off, the under trunk lid is painted just as nice as the outside of the car. You got newer weather stripping in here with quality finish all the way down. And here's your factory air shocks where you fill it up with the tag. That tag alone, which is just basically paper, is so important. That's so cool. It's also got its original trunk mat, and you know, it's that thick woolly mat. And then I have this is those rubbers for the front that goes over the control arm just to finish the look, but those are probably original, so I just left them. These are, you know, they're just included. Tire iron jack spare. You see how nice it's painted there. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the original trunk pan here. Very solid, clean. You can see that like roughness that they put on it from the factory. You see the same thing over there. Again, I said no patches, no rust underneath it. The inner rockers are mint. Frame's fantastic. Again, all the bushings, which that alone is important, especially for the frame. No bubbles, once again. Such a unique car. And that fitment again there. Really how you want it to be. And even look at the weather stripping on the door, stuff like that. There again, look how nice that hem is. There too, going up. There we go again with the weather strippings. That there. Just like the other side, couple marks right there. It must be hitting something like this seatbelt related stuff when you close it. It's probably common. But anyway, it'll be up for sale later today. My website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. Let us know. 64 Mercury Montclair Sedan, 390 4-speed AC car with factory air shocks. How smooth that is there. But anyway, we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you.
Factory air and air suspension.
So smooth. It's cool, isn't it?
Like a kid in a candy store, right?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Even the reverse lights work. Wow.
Wow. Good idea back there. This has the rare and the much desirable third pedal. Factory 4-speed. Now, would you want a couple of louder mufflers on here, Andrew, or do you like it quiet?
I think it's such a cream puff with the silent exhaust.
Yeah.
Like it's meant to be this way. Like the second, in my opinion, somebody throws, let's just say Magnaflows on it, or Thrush or something, or Glass Pack, or whatever, you know. Once it gets a little too raspy, you start to lose the that classic appeal.
It changes it. Right.
Yeah. I compare it to the LeSabre in like a total original.
If it wasn't so factory, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad this guy's right. That might
Oh, so how was it driving, 70, 75 on the highway? Tell
Just
the
like
people.
this. No, you didn't even feel it. I could have went 100.
I wouldn't recommend that, but
No, if you're going 70 to 80.
yeah. What's another 20?